Please welcome to the stage your MC, Lauren Bissett.
Welcome my in-person audience and welcome to my virtual audience. To officially kick us off, please welcome the President and Chief Executive Officer of the National Association of Manufacturers, Jay Timmons. Welcome to the stage MLC's founder, David Brossell. Please welcome the President and Chief Executive Officer at Siemens USA and a member of the NAM Board of Directors, Barbara Humpton. Please welcome from Goldman Sachs, the Managing Director of Technology, Media, and Telecommunications, Jack Ansey. So I'd like you to welcome to the stage Enersys Raphael Germain. We are going to welcome to the stage Andrew Penton, the manufacturing IT leader from Celanese, and John Mortimer, the Senior Vice President of Global Manufacturing, for a discussion around handicapping the global digital transformation race. Please welcome our incredible panelists, Julie Frazier, the Vice President of Research, Manufacturing, and Operations at Tech Clarity, Matthew Littlefield, the co-founder, president, and research lead at L&S Research, Bob Parker, the Senior Vice President of Worldwide Research at IDC, Craig Resnick, Vice President at ARC Advisory Group. Welcome to the stage Alberto Gomez, the Senior Vice President of Supply Chain Innovation at Procter & Gamble, Tessa Myers, the Senior Vice President of Intelligent Devices at Rockwell Automation, Kevin Seaver, the Vice President of Business Operations at Cytiva. Next up, we have a sweet case study on Hershey's Digital Factory. Welcome Will Bonifant, Hershey's Vice President of Manufacturing and Engineering, and Christopher Gantz, Hershey's Senior Manager of Digital Systems. Please welcome the co-founder at MaintainX, Nick Haas, the Director of Maintenance and Reliability at KIK Consumer Products, Steve Schock, and MLC's Content Director, Jeff Puma. Welcome back, everybody. Please welcome someone who's trying to steal my job, Ada.
Hi, my name is Ada, and I am an AI-generated avatar. Here to tell you more about Eaton's Industry 4.0 approach is Craig Sutton, Vice President of Industry 4.0 at Eaton. Welcome, Craig.
All right, so now we're going to talk about how we are shaping the future of digital resilience in the AI era. Welcome the Senior Vice President of Information Technology at the Coca-Cola Company, Venkat Subramanian, the Global President and co-lead of Product Industries at NTT Data and member of the NAM Board of Directors, Prasoon Saxena, and MLC's founder, David Brossell. We are going to switch gears for a panel discussion with some of our next generation leaders. Welcome to the stage Trent Hensel, Maintenance and Tooling Manager at Whirlpool, Adele Martinat, the Global Supply Chain Transformation Specialist at AB InBev, Corey Roberts, the Advanced Analytics Production Manager at Peterbilt Motors Company, and Cicely Trost, a Reliability Engineer at Certainty, as well as MLC's very own Penelope Brown. Please welcome to the stage IPG's Senior Vice President of Operations, Emmanuel Boulay. We are going to talk about unlocking transformative visibility and control with 5G Core and Open RAN, and invite Andy Hazard, the Vice President of Manufacturing, Transportation, and Finance Solutions at AT&T Business, as well as Rob Sony, the Vice President of RAN Technology at AT&T Services. Now we're going to dive into the panel on accelerating transformation for small and medium manufacturers. Please welcome Chris Droney, the Chief Operations Officer at Milo's Tea Company, Dan Dwight, I have a lot of titles to read here, President and CEO of the Cooley Group, the Chair of MLC Board of Governors, a member of NAM's Executive Committee, winner of the 2024 ML Awards Small and Medium Manufacturer of the Year, as well as the winner of the 2024 Manufacturer of the Year, and Joe Paff, the Vice President of Global Business Technologies at Husco, and MLC's very own Stephen Moskowitz. We are on to the Manufacturing Leadership Awards finalist lightning round. So please welcome to the stage Dan Duckworth and Brandon Moss, Bayer Crop Science. Please welcome Shiyu Wang, Corning Incorporated. Welcome Miguel Saez, GM Defense. Welcome Haley Berland and Mike Moody from Pella Corporation.